Hey guys, in this video we'll talk about the new melee support gem called Multi-Strike that has been released in the last patch. The gem's value is quite high because it's a drop only gem. Even though in first day there were plenty of gems being sold on the trading channel and I had the chance to get my hands on one of them for just 3 chaos, but actually they being sold for a few GCPs up to a worth of an exalt. My multi-strike that I had, I bought it for 3 chaos and I sold it back for 2 divines and 1 GCP, so that was a quite good deal. So anyway, other than its value in currency, what it does is to give you multiplier on your attack speed, and it gives you a reduced damage multiplier. So what this means is, here is the wiki, on leveling up the gem gives you increased physical damage, which is a nice buff. It gives you 3% increased attack speed, increased attack damage, physical damage per level. But the more important part is the attack speed. 88, 90, 92. So this means that it gives you 1 additional percent per level. So you get on the 100 mark at around 13 level of the gem. So let's say that we have a 13 level of the gem and we have 100% attack speed multiplier. Why I say 100% attack speed multiplier is because, as you see here, it's X% more attack speed, and as we discussed in a previous video about more versus increased, the more is a multiplier, something that is multiplied by something, while the increase are additive values that are being calculated additively one to each other. So what this means is that, and this is why I'm making the video, just to explain you guys something that is very important about this skill, so you don't get disappointed by it, or you don't just wonder why it's so expensive and so good at the moment. What it gives you, it's the first support gem that gives you multiplier on your attack speed. And what the multipliers do is to multiply something. So for instance, if you have 10% attack speed and you have a 13 level multi-strike, your attack speed will be multiplied by 2, 100% additional multiplier, so you have 20 attack speed. But if you have a 13 or whatever level is the faster attack support gem that gives you at certain level 40 attack speed, increase attack speed, if you support, let's say, your heavy strike with multi-strike and faster attacks, what will happen is that if you have 10% attack speed from your passive tree or from your gear and additional 40% from the faster attacks, that's an additive summed out value of 50 attack speed. And what the multi-strike will do is to double that attack speed to 100% attack speed. So this is what the gems does. It's a multiplier. This is why the first tip that I'm going to give you guys is that if you're using this gem on your melee char, you for sure have to use faster attacks. This is here is a little calculation that I'm going to do for you. If you have 30% increased attack speed from your passive tree and you have additional 20% from your rings, gloves and whatnot, that's a total of 50% attack speed. And when you put the multi-strike support gem on your attack skill, you're going to have not 50, you're going to have 100% attack speed, which is awesome. And now the question is, what we should support more our skill. Should we support it with added fire, with melee physical damage, with weapon elemental damage, and so on? And here is the kicker. If you put faster attacks that gives you 40% increased attack speed, it won't give you just 40%, but that attack speed will be multiplied by 2 as well. So just adding faster attack speed, you're going to get 80% increased attack speed on top of the 100% that you already have, that will sum up at 180 increased attack speed, which is really good value. So This is the first thing. Remember, multi-strike is a multiplier. If you don't have attack speed on your gear, on your passive tree as a support gem, you multiply low value and pretty much the multi-strike will be worthful for you. You better put just the faster attack support gem. That's the first thing to have in mind. And the second thing is that it has a 40% less damage, which means that it's 0.6 damage multiplier. And what this means is that it's a support gem for, yet again, elemental build. Like the Cyclone, it has lower, it hits faster, but it has lower damage efficiency, which means that your physical attacks will be fucked up. What this means is that if you have 1000 physical damage and you hit an enemy with 12k armor, you're going to do half your damage. You do 500 physical damage. But if you do 3 fast attacks with 40% melee physical, with 40% melee damage, what will happen is that you're not going to do one hit with 1k damage, which will be reduced to 500. You're going to do 3 hits by 400 damage. That's a total of 1.2k damage, 1200 damage. But that 1200 physical damage is not a real value. It will be way less, because 400 physical damage compared to the 12k armor, you won't just your physical damage won't be reduced just by 50%. It will be reduced by way more, because the armor value is a lot higher than the physical damage that you're doing per hit, as we already discussed in the one of the previous videos called How Armor Works in Path of Exile. If you haven't watched that video, watch it so you completely understand what I'm talking about now. So okay guys, this is it about this video. The important stuff that you should remember is that first, this is a support gem for, again, elemental build with fast elemental weapon. And secondly, in order for the skill gem to be worthwhile for you to work properly, you need as much attack speed as possible, because all the attack speed that you have will be doubled. Okay guys, this is it about this video. If you have a good idea what video I should make, just write it down in the comment section below, or come by my stream and say hello to me. The link to the stream is in the description of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you like this video, and see you guys in the next clip.